In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to start affiliate marketing with no audience. You know, you may often hear about affiliate marketing and how you can make a lot of money doing this and how it's all passive, and all that is true. But the one thing that makes that all possible is typically having an audience. So how do you get people to make a purchase with your affiliate link if you don't have an audience? Well, that is why I'm doing this video, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. I'm going to give you the exact same strategy that I used when I first got started. Because guess how many people I had when I first got started? Yup, none. So I used this strategy not many people know about, and this has made me well over $10,000 a month for over the last 5 years. So you guys ready to get into this? Let's go. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is make sure we all have an understanding of what affiliate marketing is. So say, for example, you like the way this video looks and you say, hey, Whit, what kind of camera do you use? Before I actually tell you that it's a Canon 90D, I'm going to go to somewhere like Amazon, search for Canon 90D. You know, make sure that it's a good supplier based on the reviews. I get my unique referral link using this tool called SiteStripe. I get the link for the camera, and instead of just saying, hey, I have a Canon 90D, I'm going to send you my referral link and say, hey, here's the camera I use. If you use that link and make a purchase, I get a commission for that camera you just purchased. That's why I love affiliate marketing. You know, it's a complete win-win. I get to help people, you know, find out what kind of camera I use, and I get to make money in this process. And to sweeten the deal, if you use Amazon, say whoever clicks on my affiliate link, and then they say, oh, I also need to get some pots and pans or whatever, because you can buy anything on Amazon. Anything someone adds to their cart during the time they clicked on my affiliate link and they make a purchase, I get a commission on that also. And even if they didn't purchase my camera and purchase something else, I still get to make money off of whatever they purchased. It's Amazon's way of saying, thank you for causing this person to go to my website and make a purchase. But you have to have a strategy, and that's what I'm gonna talk about in this video. So how could someone do well with affiliate marketing by promoting other different products and services if they don't have an audience? Well, you take advantage of the search engines. For example, you know, you want to know the most popular search engines out there? Well, it's Google and YouTube. If you don't know something and you want to learn about it, where do you go? It's typically Google. You know, it's even a saying, if you don't know something, Google it. That's just how we talk, because you know, if you have a question, you go to Google, and what do you find in the search results? When you put something in there, what pops up? It's typically blog articles and now YouTube videos as well. That's what comes up, and it's just from everyday people like me. I have a blog as well. When people search for different things on Google, my articles show up in the search results. So the trick is finding out what people are actually searching for on YouTube, for example. Let me show you an example of how I've been able to do it. One of the things that I always do is I study my competition. I don't know what to promote, so I look at what my competitors are doing, and then I use them as a guide. So let me show you this other girl who talks about making money from home like I do. She has a blog, and I know she uses affiliate marketing. So I want to see, like, okay, what does she promote? And then I ask myself, what would someone be searching for that this product or service solve? You have to think about that, because remember, this is a search engine, so you're trying to figure out what would people search for. So let me show you this example on the computer. So this woman talks about different side hustles, and one of the things that she talked about was this home dog bakery. So when I hover over this link, you can see at the bottom it says makingsenseofsense.com/free dog bakery workshop. Now I know this because I know affiliate marketing. Whenever you see a link that looks like that, that is typically an affiliate link. It's a tool called Pretty Links. So whenever you see someone's domain name, then a / something else, like for example, free dog bakery workshop, that is a cue to me that's probably an affiliate link. So long story short, I went through the process of like finding out about this training workshop. I found out they had an affiliate program. I applied for it. And then I asked myself, okay, now what type of content can I create to have someone who would want to buy this course? So then I did some research. And one of the ways I do research is I use the YouTube search bar. So just by typing in things like dog treats, I was looking up different things like dog treat recipes, homemades. So then I was asking myself, would someone look for how to sell dog treats? So I tried to let it fill it in before me, because these are other things that people have searched for. So this is like also a really good tip right here to use the YouTube search bar to find out what people are searching for, because they are trying to finish my question before I even put it in, because they are using the information based off of other people's searches. So popular searches are gonna show up here and they're trying to answer my question before I actually put it in there. So I use it as a cue to say, oh, people must be searching for this. This is good for me to know because I can create content like this. So hopefully this makes sense. Let me know if it doesn't make sense. We'll talk about it in the comments if we need to. But how to make, how to sell. So you can see right here, how to sell dog treats is something that people actually look for. So I did a video about this, and look at this. My video pops up right here on the search result, how to make thousands per month selling dog treats. I got a good thumbnail right there. And this video, guess how old? It's 2 years old, and I still make money from this affiliate product in here. So if you go to this video, I'm gonna show you right here. If you go to the description, I said, here are the links discussed in the video, dog treat bakery free training. So if they take this free training and then they go ahead and make a purchase to get her course, I get affiliate sale on that. And I make a lot of money doing this because this is consistent passive traffic. This is people who are specifically interested on how to sell dog treats. They go to her free workshop. They understand what this course is all about. If it's for them, they make a purchase, and I get commission because I refer people to this free workshop. So this is kind of one of the ways that it works. This is how you can make money with affiliate marketing with no audience, by being intentional with your keywords. Now, keywords is something that people are searching for. So when I was showing you what came up in the search results, those are keywords. I call them long tail keywords. And I don't want to get too technical, but this is what I'm trying to show you. You're using keywords to find out what people are searching for, and you create content that they're searching for. And it doesn't matter if you have an audience or not. As long as you can answer their question, that's all that matters. And I know I'm getting deep, but so I have something very exciting to announce. I just created a class on how to make money with affiliate marketing on Skillshare. And they are sponsoring this video. So thank you, Skillshare, for sponsoring this video. And for those who don't know, Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes across different categories such as animation, marketing, design, photography, and more. These classes are run by industry pros who have had success in multiple industries. They come in and they teach what they know, they put everything out there, and this is the kind of stuff that equips you with the knowledge to start earning a paycheck. Like my class. My new class teaches you how to make money with affiliate marketing, and that's the title of the class, How to Make Money on Affiliate Marketing. I literally go deep dive on all the stuff that I'm talking about today. I go a little bit further because I talk about different types of content that make the most money with affiliate marketing. How to get people to click on your link, which is everything, because if they don't click, they don't make a purchase and you don't get any money. Also, how to apply for an EIN number so you don't have to use your social security number. Because when you apply to different affiliate programs, they're gonna ask you for your social security number, which I don't like to give my social security number out to anyone. So I give them my EIN number instead, and I show you how to do that in this class. I also talk about the different programs you can apply for, profitable niches, and everything that is going to set you up for success. And guess what? The first 500 people to use my link in the description will receive a 1-month free trial of Skillshare, which includes access to my new class and all the other classes on Skillshare. So definitely check this out, and thank you again, Skillshare, for sponsoring this video. So the first thing you want to do is start with a niche, so you have some kind of guideline on what you want to be talking about. And in the class, like I was talking about, I go a little bit more deeper there. But also after that, so now that you have your niche, then you need to find your competitors, like I was showing you here. You want to know, like, you don't know what affiliate programs to promote, so use your competition as a guide. And then once you know what affiliate programs you want to promote, then you need to start thinking about, okay, what type of content can I create that will make someone want to actually make a purchase? What problems are these different products and services that I'm promoting going to solve? And then you kind of stay in that lane, and then you think about what will people be searching for to get this product. So let me show you an example just to make this make a little bit more sense. So if I were doing this today, I would use AI. You know, AI is huge right now, and this is like our future. So I would go to Google and go to AI affiliate programs. And I would see what type of affiliate programs are out there. So I see it's a couple links up here. I'm gonna go to Authority Hacker. Okay, so I'm looking at these different affiliate programs they have right here. And what I wanna do, I'm just gonna pick a random one. So Murph AI, let's just check out what this is. So marketing videos take a bunch of time to create. So I'm just reading what this is. So they have an affiliate program so that you get a commission rate of 20% recurring commission for 24 months. Now, recurring commission is really good because that means every month you're gonna be making money if someone makes a purchase, which I love recurring. And for 24 months, that's really good. That's something you can count on for 24 months. So I'm saying, okay, this looks like a good affiliate program. So the first thing I would do is I would go to YouTube, so Murph AI. So one thing I'm gonna look for is basically, I'm trying to figure out what would make someone wanna click on my link and make a purchase. And then I'm gonna start searching for how to use Murph AI. And what I like to look at is I try to see, are these people that have created these videos about Murph AI, do they have a large following? And if they had a decent amount of views, that makes me feel good. So I'm like, this guy has only 8,000 subscribers. They have 915 views here and 5 months ago. So I'm looking at the recency, how many subscribers they have. This one has 6.9 thousand views 10 months ago, and his is bring realistic voiceovers to Canva designs with Murph AI. So he's showing you an example. So one thing I like about this is that I see that these are some YouTubers that don't have a large audience, and they were able to make a decent amount of views with this. Now, some of these do. They have 184,000 and 35,000. But the thing I like to do is just, I kind of like to scroll and see what else do they have. And this is how to use, oh, it's another program here. But that is even including me. So what, he only has 1,000 subscribers, and this one has 11,000 views. So that makes me think, does Fathom have an affiliate program? So these are the things that I kind of ask myself because I'm trying to see what can I do, create content about that people will actually click on and make a purchase. So if someone is interested in Murph AI, before they make a purchase, the first thing they're gonna do is probably go to YouTube to see how it works and see if it's worth even purchasing. So that's why you want to do a video on how Murph AI works. That's what I'm kind of thinking about. That's the kind of things that people are searching for. So one thing I would do is if Murph AI had a free trial, some of these things have like free trials, I will actually go ahead, immerse myself in these AI programs, specifically one at a time. I would see how Murph AI works. I would try and just become a master at it in a quick, short amount of time, and then say, okay, so this is how it works. And then I would create a YouTube video on how to use Murph AI or whatever the benefits of this is. I would think about that and why someone would search for this on YouTube. One thing that I always do though, if you would apply for an affiliate program, I always ask and say, is there a special discount that I could use for my video that I'm doing? Or because you want to give them some incentive to use your link and not just go to Google and just go to murph.ai or whatever. And this is the thing for those people who are not like saying, well, I don't want to do a YouTube video. You don't even have to show yourself on screen if you don't want to. I recommend you do, but all people care about is how does this tool work? You can use Loom for that. That's a free tool. I use it all the time. I used it for this video. It's a screen recording software that was literally, if you just want to talk and show how it works, you can do that. But it's better if you can show your face, and I have a whole course on YouTube if that's something you want to do. But this is one thing that I would do. If I want to make money through affiliate marketing, these are the steps that I would go through. I would find a niche, I would look at my competition, study them, see what are they promoting, and then I would apply to these affiliate programs. I'd immerse myself in these affiliate programs and ask myself what kind of content I can create that can show up in the search engine, because you don't have an audience, no one knows who you are, so you want to be specific and do how-to tutorial videos to get yourself out there, to get stuck in the search. So whenever people are searching for this type of content, you're going to show up because you have created a good, valuable piece of content that is something that they're interested in. You know, this takes work, but it's not too much work. This is how I got started, and this is how you can make money, because these are people who are interested in this product. They're not interested in you and your followers and all that stuff. They are just interested in this one product, and if you can tell them how to use it, they're gonna click on your affiliate link because it's just right there in the description, and they're ready to get started. But you have to give them a reason to. So that's why you wanna watch the class, because that's gonna show you different ways to get the click, because that's everything, like I was saying. So anyways, hopefully that makes sense. You now know how to use affiliate marketing with no audience. This is exactly the strategy that I would use if I were starting again. So if you are still here at the end of this video, I'd love to see who actually sticks around until the end. So if that's you, let me know. Do you know what niche that you want to get in with affiliate marketing? If so, put it in the comment section below. If you're unsure, Put that in the comment section below. I just want to see who is still here. And as always, if you guys want to learn more about the Amazon affiliate program, definitely check out this video right here. This is how I was able to make some good money on Amazon. But what I was saying, with Amazon, you need traffic. So this is something that you want to do definitely, because it doesn't require a lot of requirements, but you need to understand this program before you get into it to see, can you really make money through it? So that video will help you find that out. All right, as always, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.